Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Steam Cloud error. Chapter 1. Fix error Steam Cloud validating status. To start, open Steam. In the Steam menu, click on Settings. After that, go to the Cloud section. Here, validate that the Enable Steam Cloud switch is enabled. Chapter 2. Fix error Steam Cloud reinstalling the game. To get started, open Steam. Then right-click on the game, select Uninstall, confirm this operation. After this, click on Install. Defines where the game will be installed. Click on Install and wait for it to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix error Steam Cloud logging out of all devices. To start, open Steam. In the Steam menu, click on Settings. Here, go to Security, click on Manage Steam Guard. Then at the bottom, click Deauthorize all devices. Chapter 4. Fix error Steam Cloud deleting data folder. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager. After this, locate the Steam process. When you select it, click End Task. After this, open the File Explorer, go to the path that Solvetic shows you on the screen. Here, select the user data folder, click Delete. Chapter 5. Fix error Steam Cloud running Steam as administrator. To get started, enter Steam in the search box. Click Run as administrator, click Yes to access. Chapter 6. Fix error Steam Cloud repairing library. To start, open Steam. In the Steam menu, click on Settings. Now go to the Storage section. After that, click on the three dots and click on Repair Library. You will see that the process starts automatically. Wait for it to finish. Chapter 7. Fix error Steam Cloud verifying game integrity. To start, open Steam. In the Steam menu after that, right-click on the game and click on Properties. Here, in the Installed Files section, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. After this, wait for this process to complete. Chapter 8. Fix error Steam Cloud reinstalling Steam. To start, click Start and select Settings. Then go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. Locate Steam, click on the three dots and click on Uninstall. Confirm this operation. In the wizard, click Uninstall and wait for it to complete. Then go to the link that we left you in the video description, click on Install Steam. When it has downloaded, click on the file, click Yes, and follow the steps of the wizard. When it is installed, wait for Steam to be updated and you will have access to it. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.